Tụi nó tiếp tìa. Tụi nó nhầm bao. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's single. Oh, she's not married, but she has a boyfriend. She's been married.
With 3 kids, 2 dogs, and 1 dog.
Start over. Yeah, can we restart?
That looks good.
3 kids, 1 dog. I guess because I counted my husband too. No.
4 kids and 1 dog.
Yeah.
Tụi nó máy lý.
2 kids, married.
Yes, she's married with kids.
She's dating my boyfriend's brother.
Oh, wow.
Her boyfriend's brother. Yeah, she dated
Tụi nó ba.
2 kids, 2 dogs.
Yeah, 2 kids, 2 dogs. 4 kids.
See, Lau
Stop drinking
has
so
3
much.
kids, 2 dogs.
Miley's
Oh yeah, advertise my son for me. Minnie like, oh my god, your son is so cute. I was like, quit saying that, man. I was like, everyone kept saying that. I don't want them to be considered when they grow up. They say they're too good.
It runs in the Shong family, I'm sorry. Everybody's conceited.
Oh. Yeah, I was like, I don't want them to grow up being conceited. They're going to think they're too good for girls.
Water.
Soda?
Can I get a pop? I want Mountain Dew.
Oh, I don't know if we bought any Faygo soda for you guys or not.
Why? Who drinks Faygo?
Yeah, I said.
Oh.
She sent me, she was like, do you guys have Faygo? And I'm like, what the heck is Faygo? And then, no, and then she sent me a picture of it.
Yeah, it's knockoff Fanta.
Oh, and I was like, I don't know. I was like, I don't think we have it. And she's like, it must be like a Michigan thing. But this time, Mom had one. I was like, never mind, we do have it. I took a picture of it.
Yeah, it's Food Lion bread, I think, or something like that. It's a knockoff.
Food Lion bread?
I don't know, but it's a knockoff Fanta.
Oh.
What's it called? Faygo.
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 I thought it was a typo when she sent it to me.
A what?
Typo.
Oh!
A typo.
I was like, what's that?
We're not even playing. You playing anymore. Oh, Pia's home.
They play.
Oh.
I will play.
Okay.
Hey, Mona, Auntie, that. Auntie, how old are you?
Pia, come here, Pia.
What do you want?
Mountain Dew or Pepsi?
Okay, Hetty's fine.
Hey, Malia, give me Mountain Dew then.
I thought he just got off work.
What?
No, I want Mountain Dew.
He went to Charlotte.
We are Mountain Dew people.
Oh.
We drink Mountain Dew.
We're Southern. We drink Mountain Dew.
Yeah, because I've been dating on it.
Southern?
She was on me for forever.
Quý sao một trâu Nick cho brother sister China.
I'm about to go, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I just went there last month.
Yes. Do you have a boyfriend yet?
I don't.
Hello. She's single.
I introduced her to him already.
Did you over here? Don't have to name the girlfriend.
You don't like one guy.
Oh.
She's already, Bao. She mine already.
What? You a triple cover already? Did you not see the same thing?
You're not here? Pass kid.